everyone, let's understand human female reproductive system. It lies in the pelvic region. It includes a pair of ovaries, a pair of oviduct, uterus, cervix, vagina and external genitalia. These all parts of the system along with the mammary glands integrate structurally and functionally to perform the functions of ovulation, fertilization, pregnancy, birth and childcare. In today's video, we will understand in detail about ovaries and the accessory ducts. Ovaries are female's primary sex organs because they are responsible for production of gamete, that is ovum, and also steroidal sex hormones. Ovaries are paired structure located on either side of the lower abdominal part. If we look at the dimensions of ovary, it is 2 to 4 centimeter in length and it is connected to the pelvic wall and the uterus by the help of ligaments. If we take cross section of the ovary, we will see that the entire ovary is lined by a thin epithelium enclosing a tissue called as stroma. That stroma is divided into two zones. Outer peripheral region is called as cortex, in which we see the developing follicles, and inner zone is called as medulla, in which there are blood vessel supplies and nerve supplies. Next, we will talk about the accessory ducts, which includes a pair of fallopian tube, a single uterus and vagina. Fallopian tubes are paired structures. They are also called as oviducts. Fallopian tube are 10 to 12 centimeter long, extending from the ovary towards the median region and unite into the uterus. The first part of the fallopian tube, which is near to the ovary, is called as infundibulum. This infundibulum consists of finger-like projections called as fimbriae, which helps in the collection of ovum after ovulation. After that, there is one region called as ampulla, which is slightly dilated part, and that is the site of fertilization. After that part is the isthmus region, and these all parts constitutes fallopian tube. Now this fallopian tube merges into the uterus. Uterus is a single duct and it appears like an inverted pear shaped. The uterus has a dome-shaped structure called as fundic uterus, and the cavity inside uterus is called as uterine cavity. The wall of uterus consists of 3 layers. Outermost layer is perimetrium, protective in nature. Middle layer is myometrium, consisting of smooth muscles, helps in vigorous contraction during baby's delivery. And innermost layer is called as endometrium, which undergoes cyclical changes for entire menstrual cycle. Now lower part of this uterus is called as cervix, enclosing cervical canal, and the most lower part is called as vagina, enclosing vaginal canal. Cervical canal and vaginal canal constitutes the birth canal. I hope the topic is clear. Thank you.